Hi guys, in this video I will be talking about how to write an amazing personal statement that will land you an admission in the United Kingdom to study nursing, and that is the pre-registration nursing in UK, the accelerated nursing program. I will be showing you guys what the schools are looking for in a perfect personal statement, and I will be sharing my very own personal statement with you guys that landed me admission in two different schools to study nursing in the United Kingdom. If this sounds so interesting to you and this is what you want to watch, then you definitely have to continue watching. Why not? Your captain is here in front of you to give it to you hot. Let's go right into the video, guys.
Nails are chipped, my ends are split. I flex my fancy bag, but we all know it's counterfeit. These jeans are thrift, my radish. I like my wine cheap, as we all know it does the.
Hello Positivity gang, welcome back to the channel. Guys, it is Mama Positivity in the building. As promised guys, today is the day. Let's talk about nursing in the United Kingdom, guys. If you are new to my channel, my name is Adeze. I am a mom vlogger and I live in the United Kingdom with my family. On this channel, I do vlogs about relocation and my lifestyle as a new immigrant in the United Kingdom. If this is the kind of content you would love to watch, then subscribe to my channel. You might also want to turn on post notifications so that each time your girl uploads a new video, you will be the first to get notified. To all my returning subscribers, you guys are the real deal. Thank you guys for always coming to support your baby girl. Guys, before I proceed, I want to explain to you guys what pre-registration nursing is. Pre-registration is an accelerated nursing program. Yeah, it started a few years ago in the United Kingdom. This is a program that you can study in the United Kingdom even without having a health or a nursing background. Guys, this is a 2 years master's program that will give you the opportunity to start working in the United Kingdom as a band 7 nurse after you graduate from this program. Permit me to let you know that with this program, with this course, you will be registered with uknmc. That's the nursing body in the United Kingdom. If you ask me, this course is the real deal. Of course, it's not only the United Kingdom. A lot of countries are in need of nurses. Imagine you coming to the United Kingdom to do this course, and from here you are going back to your dream country. Maybe the UK is not your dream country. At least it will avail you the opportunity to be a nurse even while your first degree is not in nursing. I hope this is well understood. Without further ado, let's go right into the topic of the day, which is teaching you how to write an amazing personal statement that will land you admission in pre-registration nursing in the United Kingdom, even without having a nursing background or a health background. Before we proceed, allow me to say this. This course has 3 categories or 3 subsections. Nursing in the United Kingdom is divided into 3 subsections. We have the adult nursing, we have mental health nursing, and we have child nursing. Guys, for you to do this course, you have to choose one of these. It's either you do pre-registration adult nursing, or you do pre-registration mental health nursing, or pre-registration child nursing in the United Kingdom. I hope this is very clear now. Without further ado, let's go right into the video. So you guys, the first thing I want to do is to show you guys what the schools are looking for in a personal statement. Permit me to say this, guys. Please do not copy my personal statement verbatim. The purpose of this is just to show you guys how a personal statement should look like, especially when it comes to nursing. Please do your own personal statement, because if you copy imagine a situation where the 10 of you copy my personal statement and you're applying to the same school. That's automatic rejection. Please don't copy my personal statement. Use it as a guide to do your own, guys. Now, these are the things that the school want to see in your personal statement or the statement of purpose. The first is the statement of purpose should be your own work, conveying your own views, and should not contain text copied from the school's website or elsewhere. Like I said, do not copy anyone. Relate your personal statement to your personal experience, to your real life scenario. That's how to go about it. If you copy, they know you have copied. That's just the truth of the matter. Okay? The second point is that it should be clearly structured and well written, but does not need to be overly long. So just be straight to the point and go straight to the point and tell them what you have to tell them. You should explain your motivation for wanting to study this particular course and how you have learned more about this course. So you guys explain to them, that's the key point, your motivation, why you want to study this course, okay? The reason behind you wanting to study this course and the things that you have done so far so good in relation to this course, as in the things you have learned, apart from what you studied, how far you have gone to make sure that you want to study this course. Next slide says, tell the school what interests you about your chosen course content and what makes it the most suitable one for you to undertake. So you have to convince the school the reason why you chose this particular nursing program and why it is the most suitable for you to undertake. Tell the school about your background, your employment history, and why you chose this particular course. They want to know. Talk about your plan upon graduation and how this course will help you realistically achieve your goals and objectives. So tell them about your goals and objectives once you graduate from this course, what you want to achieve. If you are an international student, you should outline why you wish to study in the UK rather than study in your home country. I hope this is clear. So for all of you that are international students, you have to tell the United Kingdom why you have chosen to study this course in the UK instead of in your home country. Okay? Yeah. Haven't seen the things that you need in your personal statement. Let's go ahead. Let me show you my very own personal statement. Let's have a look at it together and analyze that. So guys, here is my personal statement on the screen. You can see personal statement for adult nursing. I chose adult nursing. School of Health Science, Northumbria University. Admissions office, personal statement. That's a stroke ma. To me, being a nurse is all about caring for people, holding their hands in the most difficult moments of their lives, and also putting smiles on their faces by providing adequate care and supporting them compassionately, and also sharing knowledge with them for both their physical, mental, and emotional well-being until they are fully recovered. And this is the main reason why I chose to become a registered nurse. I also understand that a career in nursing is all about compassion, courage, communication, competence, care, and commitment. Also, nursing is a profession that needs patience and empathy, and I'm ready to make a difference and also a positive impact in people's life by assisting as many people as possible who are going through pains, discomfort, and suffering from different diseases at all costs, and also put a smile on the faces of their families and loved ones. Also, studying this course will avail me the opportunity to actualize my dreams of becoming a registered nurse. Guys, here I have given them the motivation. This is the reason why I want to study this course, right? So coming down, I said, despite my background in mechanical engineering, you can see I still stated my right profession. I did not hide it. I have always wanted to be a nurse since my childhood. I applied to study nursing in my undergraduate, but was given engineering, and I accepted to do that in my first degree. Immediately after my graduation, I was opportune to look after my sick father then in the hospital. The nurse took adequate care of my father, and since after that experience, the urge to become a nurse became stronger. I started working as a volunteer in various hospitals, community centers, orphanages, etc. Along the line, I was able to care for an elderly man that returned to Nigeria from the United States of America because all his family were based there in America. I took adequate care of him. Currently, I work as a patient caregiver at Hamad Medical Corporation, Doha, Qatar, and I work in the intensive care unit. I have the opportunity to shadow doctors and nurses and also work as a team with them in order to take adequate care of our patients. I always take the patient's vital sign, dress their bed, make sure they take their medications as at when due, conduct ECG with instruction from my doctor, wheel them around the wards, bathe, feed, and clothe them, especially the old ones. I am a very compassionate and patient individual. I'm highly ambitious and I can easily adapt to any environment. Guys, here I have told them, yes, despite the fact that I am an engineer, I have developed interest in nursing. These are the things I have done to help myself to find myself to do this course. I don't think if I'm communicating, are you getting the idea now? My years of experience working as a volunteer in my home country, Nigeria, and currently working as a patient caregiver at one of the biggest government-owned hospitals in Qatar has equipped me with good communication skills, good initiative, ability to work as a team. I learned to pay attention to details, good organization skills, good hygiene, critical thinking, also the ability to multitask. I was also trained on the basic etiquette in care and things I need to know to work in the health field, such as infection control and prevention, basic life support, BLS, safety at workplace, how to conduct ECG, environmental safety, and many more. I strongly believe that these skills will enable me to excel in this course. Because of my passion in this field, I enrolled for courses that are CPD accredited and recognized in the United Kingdom. I have successfully obtained diploma in health and social care NVQ level 2. I have also completed the 15 care courses on Florence Academy. Guys, this is me now relating to them, the courses I have done that to show that I am interested in doing this course. Okay. Studying adult nursing at the University of Northumbria will help me not only will help me learn how I will take adequate care and cater for my patients with both long and short-term diseases in a more professional way. It will help me understand the basic biological principles of some certain diseases, as well as warning signs of underlying pathologies. It will also help me understand different medical situations and also know the right actions to take in order to ensure adequate care is given to my patients. Also, this course comes with clinical placement, which will expose me to real life situations where I have a direct knowledge to provide care, support, and provide medical treatment for patients. The United Kingdom is known for its advanced system of teaching and world-class education, and that's why I decided to study this course in the United Kingdom. The University of Northumbria meets all the requirements I need to be successful in this career. It has adequate facilities and a state-of-the-art nursing simulation suite. They ensure practical trainings with their intensive placements across different departments. I strongly believe I will acquire all the relevant skills I needed to become a registered nurse in the University of Northumbria, United Kingdom. Studying this course will prepare me for my career goal, which is to be a certified and licensed adult nurse that will be able to give adequate and excellent care to my patients with different health challenges. In the next 10 years, I would like to see myself working and practicing as an adult nurse, and I would also love to work as a nursing consultant who is committed to provide adequate research, teaching, and excellent clinical service. Also, who will be able to evaluate the overall healthcare delivery services in the hospital and at individual basis. One of my major interests is volunteering services, such as in the hospitals, hospices, orphanages, and community service. I also love caring for people and seeing that people around me are always happy and well taken care of. My hobbies are solving daily puzzles, listening to good music, reading, trying out something extreme, trying new food, photography, yoga, and many others. During my undergraduate days, I engaged in a lot of extracurricular activities, of which leadership position is one of them. I was the first female president in the Faculty of Engineering. During my position as a faculty president, I was able to implement change. This position helps to strengthen my time management skills, build my self-confidence, give me the ability to become a true critical thinker, to be able to solve the problems of my fellow students in the faculty, boosted my interpersonal and communication skills, and also enhanced healthy relationship with people around me. And finally, I was awarded the best student leader. I engaged in sports too and other extracurricular activities as a student. I strongly believe I will be successful in this course and maintain the high standards of your university. Yours sincerely, Adeze Rachel Onyeka, 1st June 2022. So guys, this Northumbria, I applied to them in June against this January, okay, and I did my interview with them on the 7th of October 2022. We're already here in the United Kingdom. See how the interview looks like. Okay, yeah, time is coming when I will discuss the interviews with you guys, what we were asked, and how to prepare for nursing interview, nursing school interview. Okay, so that's it. So guys, that is it basically for this video. You can see how it should look like. But this is it. Before you write your personal statement, I would love you to check the schools that you want to apply to first and see what they require in their personal statement. Every school will definitely list for you the things they want you to include in your personal statement and how long they want it to be. If they need it to be one A4 paper, shorten it and summarize everything. If they did not specify, but it's better to still make it shorter so that you don't give them work of reading your personal statement. Of course, they have others to read. Permit me to let you know that pre-registration nursing in the United Kingdom is hot cake the same way that the care job is in the United Kingdom. So you have to do your best, buckle up to present yourself to be the best. With that being said, guys, my next video, I will be telling you guys the list of the schools that are offering this pre-registration to overseas applicants. The truth is that it's not every school that offers this course to international students. I will get you a list of 10 affordable schools and those with scholarships in this particular field. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, trust me, you need to be part of this family so that you don't get to miss all the juices coming your way. Come on, guys, this is 2023 and we are moving forward. Like, we are getting everything that we need to get, guys. It's time to move, okay? So you guys, without not wasting your time, I will be drawing the lines here. Wait for the next video coming up on Sunday, and in that video I will teach you how to go about the application, and I will list the 10 schools with cheap, or let's say affordable school fees, and also those that can offer you scholarships to come and do this course in the United Kingdom. So you guys, see you guys all on Sunday in my next video. For now, I will be taking my leave. Happy New Year once again, Positivity Gang. Remember our slogan, positivity is the key to success. That's our slogan. And as long as you are keeping positive, as long as you are keeping hope alive, I wish you the best of luck. Just know that one day, you will look back and smile at yourself. Hustle will definitely pay. Keep grinding, guys. I wish you guys the very, very best of luck in all your endeavors. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye.